An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 24, verse 32 up to 33. Abraham's servant went home with Laban, where Laban's servant unloaded his camels and gave them straw and feed. Then they brought water into the house, so Abraham's servant and his men could wash their feet. After that, they brought in food. But the servant said, "Before I eat, I must tell you why I have come. Go ahead and tell us," Laban answered. So in this passage, we can see that the servant of Abraham is already inside the house of Rebekah, and Laban welcomed him by giving them water for their feet. And of course, the servant of Abraham told them that before he eat, he will tell them why he came to that place or why he visit that place. So he told everything that Abraham told them and what God did.